Hi,
Hello,
my name is
and
Dia.
my name is Ashifa.
In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Bluetooth speakers. But before that, we're gonna tell you what is procedure text. There are three definitions about procedure text. The first is text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals. For example, how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, the fax. And the second is text that instruct how to do a particular activity. For example, receipt, rules for games, science experiments, road safety rules. The last is text that deal with human behavior. For example, how to live happily and how to success. Procedure text have a generic structure that are
Goal contains information about the destination in the making or operation of something.
and material. There are three types of procedure text that doesn't need the materials. There are procedure text that identifies how to perform the instruction manual, procedure text that instructs how to perform certain activities with unregulated, procedure text relating to human nature or habit. The last is step. It's content about step or sequence that must be done so that the goals outlined in the goal can be achieved. Procedure texts also have language features that are use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction, for example, first, second, third, and last. Next is use command or imperative sentence, for example, push the button. And using adverbials or adverb to express the detailed time, place, manner accurate, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, or something else. Next is using action verbs like make, take, boil, cook, or something else. And the last is using simple present tense. And now it's time to show you how to use Bluetooth speakers.
The first step is put the speaker in pairing mode.
So you have to switch on the speaker and long press the Bluetooth button on the device. By pressing the button, your Bluetooth speaker will enter the pairing mode and will be discoverable to other device.
The second step is switch on Bluetooth on device.
Go to settings in your phone and select the Bluetooth setting option. Scroll down to the other device section under Bluetooth settings. Make sure your phone is discoverable mode as well. Select the speaker you want to pair and click on it.
The third step is wait for the phone to connect.
Once pairing is complete, both the device will be connected.
And the fourth step is play music.
Once you are connected, play the music you like or use it as you want. So that is how to use Bluetooth speakers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye!